Iloilo City, Philippines, an Ilongga businesswoman has become the first person to cross the sea between the provinces of Iloilo and Negros Occidental on a paddleboard. Congratulations! Lucy Lynette Ponce Oigongco, 52 years old, arrived at Pasel Sandbar in Barangay Latasan, EB Magalona Town in Negros Occidental on October 19, making her the first person to cross the 23-kilometer water between Iloilo and Negros Islands on a paddleboard in 5 hours, 27 minutes, and 6 seconds, paddling at 4.2 km per hour. Ito ay isang record na siguro balang araw ay pwedeng may magtangkang i-break o matularan man lamang. Paddleboard ito hindi bangka. At babae, hindi lalaki. 54 years old pa. Thanks for watching and please follow my Facebook page, comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng.